Welcome. In this video, we'll delve into how to fix Telegram notifications not working. If you're experiencing issues with receiving notifications on Telegram, try these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Check your online status. Ensure that you are online and actively using Telegram, as notifications are typically sent when you are active on the platform. Being online can help trigger notifications to work properly. 2. Verify Telegram service status. Check the service status of Telegram to see if there are any ongoing issues or outages that may be affecting the delivery of notifications. Sometimes, service disruptions can impact notification functionality. 3. Manage notifications. Within WhatsApp, double-check your notification settings within the Telegram app to ensure that notifications are enabled for the specific chats or groups you want to receive notifications from. Adjusting these settings can help resolve notification issues. 4. Check device. Notification settings. Verify that notifications are allowed for the Telegram app in your device's notification settings. Make sure that the app has the necessary permissions to send notifications to your device. 5. Update the app from Google Store. Make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed from the Google Play Store. Updating the app to the newest version can often fix bugs and improve notification delivery on Telegram. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix Telegram notifications not working, ensuring that you receive timely notifications for messages and updates on the platform. We hope this guide assists you in resolving any notification issues on Telegram efficiently. Thank you for watching.